Alright guys, I just did this on a different video and I erased it. I figured I'd do it again. So this is the JAV10 right here. This is the JAV12. And this is the ARM10. All Audio Legion. Just figured I had them. They're all wired to 1 ohm inside the box. So this is actually 0.3 at the terminal. If you read it at the terminal with a multimeter, it's 0.3. Let's get a nice shot of the JAV there. Now that's their budget subwoofer right there. That's their budget 12. And that's their next from lineup, the ARM. That's the ARM10.